Hello friends, this is Charu Jain. Welcome to my YouTube channel DPSC Learners. So in this video we will talk about speech on Raksha Bandhan for teachers. You can use this speech as essay for Raksha Bandhan for the students as well. So let's begin. First of all, a very happy Raksha Bandhan to each one of you. Fairs and festivals hold a special value in our life. They hold a lot of significance in our lives. We can never miss our festivals. Festivals portray our religion and culture. They remind us of our splendid past. The festival of Raksha Bandhan is the festival of love and brotherhood. Yes, the festival of love and brotherhood. Sisters tie sacred threads to the wrists of their brothers, thereby reminding them of their great responsibility. All over India, sisters, whether they are married or unmarried, young or old, visit their brothers and tie a piece of decorative thread, and in return, brothers make a vow to protect their sister from all evils. The word Raksha Bandhan has a very significant meaning. Raksha means protection and Bandhan means bond. Raksha means protection and Bandhan means bond. It is the celebration of a chaste bond of love and protection between a brother and sister. This festival symbolizes love and harmony. This occasion comes in August. As per the Hindu calendar, it is celebrated on a full moon day. Typically, this festival is celebrated by people hailing from the northern and western part of India. This occasion is also called by different names in different parts of the country. Some people call this festival Rakhi Purnima. Some call it Kajri Purnima. In many states, this festival is considered as an important day for farmers and women who have sons. On this occasion, people worship Lord Shiva. As per the tradition, the sisters prepare a thali or a plate with diya, roli, rice and rakhis. First, she offers prayers to God and then ties Rakhi to the brothers and wishes for their well-being. The brother in turn acknowledges the love with a promise to be by the sister's side always and gives her as a gift as a token of love. The happiness and enthusiasm to celebrate this festival is seen several days before the festival. The markets are full of beautiful colored Rakhis. These days, it has become a soaring business. Many shopkeepers' sole business is buying and selling Rakhis. The markets are decked like a bride, all colorful and glory. There are varieties of Rakhis available in the market ranging from low to high. The sisters buy Rakhis and tie them around the wrist of their brothers along with the roli and rice on their foreheads. They wish for their prosperity and long life of their brother, and in return, brothers take a vow to protect their sister and assure them guard during any crisis. For all families, the Raksha Bandhan festival is a means of family union. Tasty food, sweets, etc. are cooked on this auspicious day. Family members also exchange gifts with other good wishers and relatives and share their individual experiences of life. In some traditions, especially in Rajasthan, the married women tie rakhis to their husband to seek protection from all evil. These days, even sisters tie rakhis to sisters. Nonetheless, the essence of the festival remains the same. The festival of Raksha Bandhan symbolizes the ideal of universal brotherhood and also immortalizes the Indian culture. This festival of Rakhi transcends the barriers of caste, creed, and religion and is based on the pious sentiments. Thank you.